All right, pals, every clause as you go live on the choke in less than 5. All right, this is a one and done. This is one race for the medallions of the IO medallions. We had some trouble in the dive gate. Ooh, a bobble. Ooh, a flip over. Still 1 and 2 divided by 1 obstacle, followed by third is about 2 obstacles behind that. We go over the split up to the single gate. The double team, Black Sheep, now we're going down the descending carousel, this age-road track. And our first person across the gate is Adam Grower, followed by West Scorcher. Kuwik, Nail.
Oh, nice turn. West has got the chase going on.
Look at this race. All right, we got 1 and 2 neck and neck going down the double team.
Oh, there's a pass.
Grower and West.
West in first place now.
All right, West is in the lead. West and Grower battling it.
White flag's out.
This is the final lap. Oh, he made it. He kept it in there, and the winner is coming up. We got, this is the white flag lap right here. This is the final lap. Oh, there we go. Grower with West right behind.
What a pass! What a pass!
Half a second.